I'm Ricardo for Don Ricardo Foods. Today I'm going to show you how to mix the ground beef taco mix. You can use it for ground beef, turkey, or chicken. I prefer ground beef. I have used turkey or chicken, and it's one of the simplest packets recipes that is offered through Don Ricardo Foods. And let's go ahead and get started. I'll talk a little bit about what I do and why I do it while I'm doing this. So, water is optional. Let's go ahead and rip open the packet. And the reason why I say water is optional, because you only really need tomato sauce. But if you decide to put water, like I do, it's simply because it helps it flow a little better, mix a little better, and to me, it just gives a better consistency. So if you're going to use water, I like to put the water first so it soaks up the seasonings that are down there. And again, like I said, if you only use tomato sauce, the only disadvantage with that is that it is, because it's thicker, a little harder to mix when you mix it. So you may have to shake it a little bit longer. And the way you can tell is just by looking underneath. If you see any clumping or dark spots, that means it's because it's not completely mixing. You may need to shake it a little more. So I added the water. It's 4 ounces. You can do a couple ounces. I wouldn't recommend doing a whole lot more because then it gets a little too thin. And then it is an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. If you use more, or you have the 15 ounce, I recommend putting half, or maybe you're going to do 2 packets. I don't know, but this particular package is based on 8 ounces. So let's go ahead and add the tomato sauce. And it doesn't matter what brand or anything. I'm not endorsing any brands or not. I just get what's available, and honestly, it's tomato sauce. So I don't pick any major brands or not. I have used bigger brands and name brands, but none of that really matters when it comes to this, as far as my opinion goes. So we went on ahead, we added our water, and we added our tomato sauce, and then you reseal it. It is a Ziploc seal. Make sure it's sealed because we're going to shake it. So right now what we're going to do, I recommend, if I remember right on my package, I think I put like about 20 seconds. I could be wrong, and I'm the one that designed the package, imagine that. But let's go ahead and shake it up really good. This way we can get all the seasonings mixed in. Now, a lot of the competitors' products only have you put water. I like tomato sauce because tomato sauce has some consistency to it. It has some flavor, and it's going to give it a little bit of color. So it's going to present well once you cook it up and are ready to serve and make your tacos. You use it for burritos, whatever. It's up to you. My kids growing up, they just like to put it in a bowl with some beans and eat it right out of there. Forget the taco shells or the tortillas or whatever, but hey, taste it's on. So anyway, I've been shaking here I didn't really time it. But again, I'm gonna peek here at the bottom. I can see there's no clumping, nothing's going on. It seems to be a very good, consistent mix. And then it's ready. So we're gonna put this off to the side, and then in the next video, if you wanna get some cooking tips how to cook, we're gonna do the ground beef taco mix, okay? And then from there, we'll give you some tips of what to do, grounding the beef and such like that. So watch that video if you like. For now, I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for visiting Don Ricardo Foods and making your purchases. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead, visit donricardofoods.com and get some more cooking tips. Look at our products. There's a few there right now. And as we move along forward, we'll probably have some more rolling out as I'm led to do it. So enjoy. Thank you for visiting. Bye.